It's Jobs Week. That's our topic for today's Backstage Pass. Good morning. Happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. Looking forward to an awesome week this week. But first, let's start off at the end of last week. The chairman of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, gave a speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium. And in that speech, he said that curbing inflation will cause some pain for U.S. households and businesses. Well, the stock market really felt that pain on Friday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 1,000 points. It was the largest loss since May for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And mortgage bonds actually kind of benefited from the sell-off in the stock market on Friday because some of the institutional investors really moved their money over into the safer haven of the bond market. Fast forward to this week, and so far this morning, stocks are down again. The Dow Jones Industrial was down about 200 points at the time of recording. Mortgage bonds are down also today. Mortgage bonds are down 37 basis points at the time of recording. The 10-year yield is up 6 basis points. 10-year yield is really testing the 3.10% ceiling of resistance. It tested that all week last week. It's testing that level again today. And if it does break above that level, well, there's a lot of room to the upside on the 10-year yield. Probably the next level of support's all the way at 3.25%. Now, for mortgage rates, what that means is that today rates are going to open worse than where they closed on Friday. The 30-year national average on Friday for a 30-year fixed mortgage was at about 5.73%. Today we could see that coming in at a little bit closer to 6%. Now, this week is going to be a very important week. It's Jobs Week, like we said. There's a few different jobs reports that are coming out this week that are going to be very closely watched and very important. The ADP employment report, this report we haven't seen in a couple of months because they've been reworking their process for this report. So this is the first time we'll see this report in a couple of months. That report comes out on Thursday, and then BLS, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, their jobs report, non-farm payrolls, comes out on Friday, as well as unemployment. The BLS report is for the month of August, so this is going to be a very relevant, timely, and important report that we will see on Friday, and it will influence the markets. Now, also this week, we have a couple of other things that are coming out that aren't jobs related. So we've got ISM manufacturing data, that's Purchaser Managers Index. That's going to be coming out this week on Wednesday and Thursday. And then tomorrow on Tuesday, we've got the FHFA and the Case-Shiller Home Price Index reports that are going to be coming out. These reports for FHFA and Case-Shiller, the home price reports, are from the month of June, so they're a little bit lagging in the data, but these are going to be reports that people are watching closely as well. Now, as for today, well, there's no news or events scheduled for today, but that doesn't mean that there could be that unscheduled event or news item that decides to pop up at some point in the day. But today we don't expect to see a lot of news or activity. The markets are mostly just still responding to Friday's news and data. So that's all that we have for today. I hope you have a great day and a great week. Remember to stay positive, and we'll see you tomorrow.